Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue icing. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh egg whites, which are the foundation for a light and airy meringue. Granulated sugar is added gradually to provide sweetness and help create a stable structure. A small amount of cream of tartar assists in stabilizing the egg foam, ensuring it holds its shape beautifully. Finally, a touch of vanilla extract enhances the overall flavor, making your icing truly delicious. The key to perfect meringue is in the whipping process. Start with a very clean, grease-free bowl and whisk attachment. Any fat can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Begin by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy. Then, slowly and gradually add your granulated sugar, a tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed and beat until the mixture is glossy and forms stiff, shiny peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. There are 3 main types of meringue icing, each with distinct characteristics. Swiss meringue involves gently heating egg whites and sugar over a double boiler before whipping, resulting in a smooth, stable icing. Italian meringue is made by pouring hot sugar syrup into whipping egg whites, creating a very stable and glossy meringue. French meringue is the simplest, made by whipping raw egg whites and sugar, offering a lighter, less stable option. Choose the type that best suits your baking needs. For the best meringue icing, always ensure absolutely no egg yolk contaminates your whites, as fat prevents proper whipping. Humidity can be a meringue's enemy, so try to make it on a dry day if possible. Using fresh, room-temperature eggs can also help achieve maximum volume. Once your meringue is ready, it's best to pipe or use it immediately. If you must store it, do so in an airtight container for a short period, but fresh is always best for optimal texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.